If you already have passport data in Genesis, we created this very easy solution so that you can mirror this data on your own institute's website without having to do double work. For example, if I share here the data of ILRI in Genesis, that also ILRI has enabled the feature of material requests, so we can add items to the list and request them through Genesis. We can also see the accessions on the map, and we can also see some trade data about these accessions all in Genesis. Now, if the Genebank wants to also show this information on their own institute website, instead of doing the upload and update of this data twice, both in Genesis and separately on their institute's website, we created this solution called Embedded Genesis, where by adding a few lines of code to the ILRI website, we can, through this solution, just mirror all of this information that's here, completely mirror it on the ILRI website directly. So the servers, the maintenance of this database is through the Genesis. You see here, there will be like a little notice that it's powered by Genesis, but it's just reflecting on the official website of ILRI, where you can use some basic filters for passport data here, and also you can enable, if you wish, material requests that would be basically done through Genesis, but on the ILRI website. We can also see an overview of the data directly here, just like you see them in Genesis. So ILRI is, I think, our most recent partner who adopted the embedded Genesis, but we also have WorldVeg. This is the example of WorldVeg, who have enabled more features. So you see here, there's overview cart, but there's also the map, the traits, so trade data, subsets, and also 3 different languages. So now we are working currently on translating Genesis. But for the moment, if you would like for your users to have access to your data in other languages than English, Embedded Genesis can be like ready right now solution to use your data in other languages. You see here it's French and Chinese. I'll go now to the IITA Embedded Genesis. This is an example of one accession data. And you see here there's the full passport data location. Also, this page of this accession includes its trade data, the PDCI, and also the option of finding a similar accession. So we have already in Genesis something called the similarity search. You can also have this in Embedded Genesis so that users can find similar accessions to the one they are interested in using the similarity search. When it comes to material requests, what I presented about easy SMTA registration not being required is coming soon. So for those of you who are using Embedded Genesis, please expect an update soon to Embedded Genesis.